What's up everybody, this is Beyond the Body. In today's video, we're going to go over the top 10 chronic pain management foods you should eat. Make sure to watch it to the end of the video because it's one of the most crucial chronic pain foods you definitely need. Before we get started, be sure to click on the link in the description for the #1 weight loss solution. This is an opportunity you don't want to miss. And also, make sure you like and subscribe and click that bell icon notification so we can keep you posted for more videos on true health and fitness. Now let's get straight into the video. Chronic pain is defined as pain that persists for more than 12 weeks. It can be caused by a wide variety of conditions, including arthritis, back problems, and nerve damage. Chronic pain can have a significant impact on quality of life, making it difficult to perform everyday tasks and enjoy hobbies and activities. The pain may be constant or intermittent, and it can range from mild to severe. Chronic pain is often treated with medications, physical therapy, and lifestyle changes. When it comes to chronic pain, diet can play an important role in both the cause and the cure. Certain foods are inflammatory, meaning they contribute to inflammation throughout the body. Common inflammatory foods include sugar, processed meat, trans fats, and refined carbs. On the other hand, anti-inflammatory foods help to reduce inflammation and promote healing. These include omega-3 fatty acids, turmeric, ginger, garlic, and green leafy vegetables. By eliminating inflammatory foods from your diet and increasing your intake of anti-inflammatory foods, you can help to reduce chronic pain and promote healing. In addition to diet, staying hydrated and getting regular exercise are also important for managing chronic pain. By making simple changes to your lifestyle, you can help to ease your chronic pain and improve your overall health. Now, here are the top 10 chronic pain management foods you should definitely eat. Starting with number 10, pasta. Many people suffer from chronic pain, which can be debilitating and disruptive to everyday life. While there are many possible treatments for chronic pain, an unlikely one is pasta. That's right. A new study has found that eating pasta can help to reduce chronic pain. The study, which was conducted by Italian researchers, looked at a group of people with chronic pain and found that those who ate pasta 2 or 3 times a week had less pain than those who didn't eat pasta at all. The reason for this is still not clear, but it may be due to the fact that pasta is a source of complex carbohydrates, which can help to reduce inflammation. In addition, in any case, if you're suffering from chronic pain, it may be worth giving pasta a try. Who knows? It just might help you feel better. Number 9, oatmeal. For centuries, oatmeal has been used as a natural remedy for a variety of ailments. Today, science is beginning to catch up with tradition, and there is a growing evidence that oatmeal can be an effective treatment for chronic pain. One of the key compounds in oatmeal is abinanthamide, which is known to have anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. In a recent study, patients who applied an oatmeal-based cream to their skin experienced a significant reduction in pain and inflammation. Additionally, oatmeal contains beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that has been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the body. In another study, patients with arthritis who ate beta-glucan-rich oats every day for 6 weeks saw a significant decrease in pain and stiffness. These studies suggest that oatmeal may be a safe and effective way to reduce chronic pain. Number 8, brown rice. Brown rice is a whole grain that is packed with nutrients. It is a good source of fiber, magnesium, and vitamin B1 and B6. These nutrients are important for maintaining healthy bones, muscles, and nerves. Brown rice also contains lignans, which are phytonutrients that have been shown to reduce the risk of cancer and heart disease. One of the most intriguing benefits of brown rice is its ability to reduce chronic pain. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that women who ate 3 or more servings of brown rice per week had less pain from arthritis than women who ate white rice. This reason for this is not fully understood, but it is thought that lignans in brown rice may help to reduce inflammation. If you are suffering from chronic pain, adding brown rice to your diet may help to provide relief. Number 7, turkey. According to a new study, eating turkey may help to reduce chronic pain. The study, which was conducted by researchers at the University of Michigan, found that people who ate turkey on a regular basis were less likely to experience pain than those who didn't eat turkey. The study's lead author, Dr. Ezekiel Emanuel, believes that the amino acids in turkey may help to reduce inflammation, which can lead to pain. Turkey is also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties. The study's author says that more research is needed to confirm the findings, but they believe that turkey could be a helpful addition to the diet of people who suffer from chronic pain. Number 6, green tea. Green tea is often lauded for its health benefits, and for a good reason. Research has shown that green tea can help to reduce chronic pain, particularly when the pain is caused by inflammation. One of the key compounds in green tea is EGCG, which is an acronym for epigallocatechin, gallate, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. In one study, patients with arthritis who took EGCG supplements experienced a significant reduction in pain and swelling. In another study, people with gout who drank green tea had fewer flare-ups and experienced less pain when they did have a flare-up. Additionally, green tea has been shown to inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, which are molecules that play a role in chronic pain. Therefore, regular consumption of green tea may help to reduce chronic pain and inflammation. Number 5. Kale. Eat your kale. This leafy green vegetable, chock full of vitamins and minerals, have been shown to have a number of health benefits. In addition to being a low-calorie source of nutrients, kale can also help to reduce chronic pain. Kale contains a compound called sulforaphane, which has been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the body. In one study, participants who consumed sulforaphane-rich kale juice experienced a significant reduction in chronic pain, and also pain and stiffness associated with arthritis. The anti-inflammatory effects of kale may also help to reduce the severity of migraines and other forms of headaches. So next time you're feeling pain, reach for some kale instead of the ibuprofen. Your body will thank you for it. Number 4. Dark chocolate. Chocolate has been prized for its rich flavor and distinct aroma. But in recent years, science has begun to uncover another reason to enjoy this delicious treat: its potential health benefits. Dark chocolate in particular is packed with antioxidants and other nutrients that can promote overall wellness. And new research suggests that dark chocolate may also be effective in reducing chronic pain. Studies have shown that dark chocolate contains compounds that can help to reduce inflammation. These compounds, known as flavonoids, can also help to improve blood flow and protect nerve cells from damage. These effects may help to explain why dark chocolate has been shown to be effective in reducing pain. In one study, for example, participants who ate dark chocolate reported reduced level of pain after exercise. Similarly, another study found that participants who consumed dark chocolate had less pain and stiffness after spinal cord injury. While more research is needed to confirm these findings, the evidence so far suggests that dark chocolate may be a delicious way to reduce chronic pain. So next time you reach for a sweet treat, opt for dark chocolate. Your body will thank you for it. Number 3. Pomegranates. Pomegranates have been used for medicinal purposes for centuries. In ancient times, they were thought to have magical properties and were used to treat a variety of ailments. Today, pomegranates are being studied for their potential health benefits, including their ability to relieve pain. According to one study, pomegranate extract was found just to be as effective as ibuprofen in reducing inflammation and pain associated with arthritis. Researchers believe that the powerful antioxidants in pomegranates help to reduce inflammation and pain by inhibiting the release of inflammatory chemicals. Pomegranates are also a good source of vitamin C and E, which are both important for maintaining healthy joints. If you're looking for a natural way to relieve chronic pain, pomegranates may be worth a try. Number 2. Fish. For years, people have turned to fish to help with chronic pain. Fish are a natural source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation. In addition, fish oil supplements can help to increase blood flow and reduce stiffness in the joints. One study even found that people who took fish oil supplements for 6 months had less pain and disability than those who did not take the supplements. Fish have been shown to be helpful in managing chronic pain. Another study showed that people with arthritis who took a daily fish oil supplement experienced less pain and stiffness than those who didn't take the supplement. Fish oil has been shown to improve blood circulation and reduce nerve pain. While more research is needed to confirm the benefits of fish for chronic pain, there is no doubt that these creatures can provide some relief. Number 1. Eggs. According to recent study, eggs may help to relieve chronic pain. The study, which was conducted by researchers at the University of Sheffield, found that a protein found in egg whites can block pain signals from the nerves. The protein, known as lysozyme, is thought to work by preventing the release of a neurotransmitter called substance P. Substance P is responsible for transmitting pain signals from the nerves to the brain. In the study, participants who were given lysozyme experienced significantly less pain than those who did not receive the protein. Eggs are an excellent source of lysozyme, and they also contain other nutrients that are essential for good health. Again, for example, eggs are a good source of vitamin D, which is important for bone health. They also contain choline, a nutrient that helps to protect the brain and nervous system. In addition, eggs are low in calories and fat, making them an ideal food for people who are trying to lose weight. Check out this video for the top 10 keto coffee recipes you should try. And also, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of health and fitness and much more. Take care.